I want to point out that the backing plates are not interchangeable. Just make sure that this point where your cable mounts will line up with the lever that activates your emergency brake, which is right here. This flat side goes towards the pumpkin if you're using a koyo bearing, but if you're using some other type of brand, I don't know. On this bearing, I only want to push against the inside of it, this little area right here. I don't want to push against that flat spot, so I'm going to use the old lock collar that's already split. And it shouldn't be too hard to pull off since it's already split. Remember always to use safety glasses whenever you're using the press. This is just the old bearing retainer that I used to press the bearing on with. And you can put on the new one now, the new bearing retainer. And I know somebody's going to say that you can press both of these on at the same time, but you know, I like to do them one at a time. It just seems easier, or it just seems like it's less strain on the press.